Fedecrail is the umbrella organization for heritage railways in Europe. It gathers 650 members among 27 countries. A lot of heritage railways, mainly societies with volunteers. Among those societies, a number of them operate on the national networks. Let me say a few words about the importance of the heritage trains like this one. First, it contributes to the preservation of Europe's industrial heritage, the importance of which was recognized recently by the European Parliament. Second, it also gives a lot of people, especially the younger people who go on our trains, it learns them the use of trains. And also we have a lot of young volunteers working in our societies, and for them it's the first experience of working in a railway, and it some kind feeds the labor market with young, motivated and skilled people. Heritage railways in Europe are facing the problematic of ETCS, especially in Sweden and in Denmark, in the Nordic countries, where ETCS should be installed in the main lines in the near future. For us, it's a very important challenge, first on the financial side. For example, fitting an older steam locomotive with ETCS was estimated at a cost of 3.5 million euro for the first locomotive and 500 kilo euros for the rest of the series of the same locomotive, which is very expensive and totally unbearable by a volunteer society. Second, it's a technical challenge because we have old design engines, non-electronic, even a lot of engines don't have any power supply, so it's very complicated, and therefore we have to think out of the box and to find innovative solutions, which also should preserve the cultural aspect of the rolling stock itself. ETCS is also a political challenge on heritage trains because, for example, if this locomotive tomorrow can't run because of ETCS, it will gather a lot of concern among a population of railway buffs. So to address this issue, Fedecrail drafted a first position. First, valid for all, we don't want to give up anything on safety. Then we think that we have to focus on the simplification of the integration and verification process, and our first objective should be not to change the specifications, which would prove to be something very, very expensive. Fedecrail doesn't have the capacity to make or finance by itself those high-skilled technical studies which would be necessary to assess and develop those concepts, but we believe that our problematics are comparable with those of other users, especially the maintenance fleet users which have vehicles with same type of design, say older designs, non-office environment, etc. Fedecrail already established a cooperation in Scandinavia with maintenance fleet users, and we are open to establish and open other cooperations with other type of users across Europe who share the same ideas and who want to develop same type of concepts.